The purpose of this film series is to spotlight the positive aspects of the Jamaica we love so much. In most cases, we hear negative stories coming out of Jamaica, which has a direct impact on returning residents. This film series seeks to explore the natural ways people care and share on this beautiful island we call home. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in all the future episodes. Share with your friends, and when you do subscribe, hit the bell on YouTube so that you'll be notified for future episodes. Take care. Randy Pottinger. From Captain Jack Farm to the great family we take care of Flanker. Let me show you a big piece of yam now. We now left on out. No. If we have it, we don't have it, see there. If we have it, we don't have it. This is from the great Captain Jack. No fertilizer. Montego beer. Yes. It's a corner. This Jamaica good life. See there. So this is the video has. So we want to. There you go, man.
Thank you.
This is from Captain Jack for all the work that you do for the community. Enjoy it with your husband. So there's a girl that's going to find her number and leave peace here for her. And she can come get it there. She did say so. We have so much wealth. We're so rich. This is not fertilized. And anytime we get food, we don't know we're not getting food.
Thank you.
Alright, thank you for what you do.
Yeah.
Alright, one love, sister. Enjoy. Do the cookie good enough?
Yes, ma'am. We are chefing out of, we know, be hungry. Alright.
Nice.
Make the man. Yeah, man.
Make the man say I'm
Yeah, brother Randy. Welcome again, brother Randy, real general. Yeah, change and balance, you know. Brother Randy said that, you know, to the world, you know. For the boy and for the girl, and I always say hot food, same way, proper spice. So I have brother Randy there to chill out from them time there until now, no? Yeah, we say Jamaica good life. To the world again. Yeah. Yeah, man.
I really believe in things.
Yeah, man. Yeah, we ask the brother, you can't leave the world around here when I do it, man. Live it and walk it and talk it, man. Mentally, physically,
You
and
mean
spiritually,
Flanker
man.
really accept the vibration?
If you accept change and balance, brother, that's the thing. If you don't want to accept it, it's a forward change and balance. Yeah. Rastafari said that.
Only truth in the universe.
Yeah.
From the butterfly to Rasta man. Synchronized.
Yes, I. Yeah. Life over there to say, man. Yeah, man. So front it does it. Yeah. It's a journey for everyone.
I'm glad to see you.
Acceptation, you know.
Talk about
Yeah, man.
life. What's the life like for you?
Well, life great, Uncle Randy. Life great. Life could never be better, because guess what I'm now? The only better I can get, I'm going to go short a plate of the food. See what I say? And it's sweet, that's so. Life great. It's just that sometimes it's sad for see brother and sister them live certain way because of the colonial system and the masters them are their own. We are corrupt the things same way. And I teach you be a lie. See what I say? So at that you know make the thing set away. Make it come like we're still hungry, make it come like we still not get no shelter. There no clothes, there no food. And Mother Earth provide them things there every day for we. Every day. We don't have to go to bed hungry. Changes every day, caterpillar life. You see it? Every day change. Yeah, balance you say still. Change and balance. So that's the thing there. But brother Randy, everything good man. We see the thing up on YouTube and gone global. Only for guests to get through it and you don't know it's a channel, it's a portal that come out for enough youth, enough ghetto youth, whole heap away. Them youth are really out. Magnificent one, you see me, melanated youth, carbonated youth, them youth are almighty in a flesh same way. Yeah, I and I same way, you see it? And no man no more than no man, see God is a whole. You see me? I do it. No mama.
We could get some food.
One love, you
bring
see
a
it?
piece of yam for you.
Yes man, I give thanks
You
man.
mean me now?
I
Come
whole
on
heap of youth you see, I whole heap of youth me see you going to them farm and dig up some whole heap of thing and I say, yeah man, brother Randy, think good man.
What you say about the back? I'm saying I'm coming here, I say, I don't know me. What you say? What we are doing?
A good thing you know do, man. A long time I watch it, man, with Baba and Patrick and the whole of them, man, you know. Long time I watch it, man. For a
I
long
reach flanker now.
Yeah.
And you know, so the anchor here, what?
Yeah.
The change and balance camp there at the seaside.
Yeah.
And we have the things and for teach you them how to make money now.
Same way.
So you can bring in the soldiers then for the have a class.
Yeah.
So we
Let's
have
go
the
get the date and
projector,
thing.
we have the TV, now we have the tent to cover it. So we intend to use the Shaka Zulu mode and go around Babylon and teach them how to make money differently.
Yes, sir.
That
Yes,
is
sir.
the next move.
That time move. I feel football, they see me run, say no, man. Let me again. Yeah, as me tell you, they're about the same way.
So we bring the 10,000 book. We're not up on some fasting thing, you know. You might have got the goal, you know, and get him a new chain, you know. But how you do? You live your son? But when you see me, you say, oh shit, roll up. So when we left it that day there, we have
All if they don't want to accept, that's the thing there because within global and everything change, everything balance back forward, same way. See me I say, Absalom born long over there so few weeks time you see come up back fresh and green, change and balance. You see it? Man then go see last week, catch a bag of perch, then go next week, they'll catch 2 sprat.
talk to him, I get here.
See me I say, yeah man, a brother Crouch, they both brother Randy. So you don't know. Yeah, them you there hold up the thing to you see it. Them you there know Randy. Yeah, pick up yourself Crouch anyway you're there. Flanker, don't got no anchor around here, just peel over and jive for the girl and boy. Yeah. Oh, it's a good life, you know, proper spice. Africa the motherland. Coming at you again live, you see it, and live in colors. Yeah. Life sweet. Jamaica good life sweet too. We in a part of paradise. See it? Yeah. Look yourself, mama. Now what your name?
Tasha.
Empress, Miss Tasha. Empress Tasha. Powerful warrior. Yeah man. Yeah, Tasha, see generally I found it. And we ask them on the boss upside goal.
This is for you, my general.
One love, my brother.
We come from
Give
the
thanks,
mountains.
man.
This is fully
Yeah
organic.
man, 100%.
No fertilizer, so no color around it.
No fertilizer, see it? Natural food, you see it? Straight out of hilltop. And I'm going to tell the items some other earth. Cultivate everything for you already. All we have to do is enrich the earth. You see it? Just till the soil and you see it? Yeah, brother.
See it. Give it the name.
Andre.
Yeah, brother Randy.
What's your business?
Shaman.
So get him number. Tell the people of your business.
Alright, me do
Yeah,
Jota
man.
pick
Come
up.
back again, sir.
Name Andre. Phone number 876 303 2115. Anytime you come into Jamaica, you want a good driver to pick you up, keep you safe. That's me.
What you link? You know link with no, with upper flanker community center.
Well, we'll take a step. You have to give me certain
Information.
You have to bring me. Me not really
My
want
brother Crouch, my brother Crouch.
1876. Give me a number again.
365
Mm-hmm.
6679.
Nice. Proper spice.
You know my brother Crouch the car come here, man. Crouch man, it's all you out, man. You give my interview, see me, man. Remember the all you
Oh,
out,
yeah. Mr. Clark.
Mr. Clark. Yeah, you know man, Mr. Clark, yeah.
So you see him out the place?
Yeah, man, he give me a link more.
Now go
man.
check him out. Now we're more organized and we're ready.
Yeah.
Proper spice. So you go pop out 2 things for me and the Empress.
Alright.
Anything is anything. We want to constantly support. Show them the good food are the best thing.
We have princess, a proper spice, you know, there again, you see it? Yeah, we have some bulgur rice cooked in a coconut juice, you see it? The man still do it. Still do it every day with pumpkin. Yeah, that has some pumpkin stew with some pasta night, same way. Like quinoa pasta. That's some jerk chickpeas. See me I say? Nice, same way. The yam where the other just carry come forward. You see it? We have some vegetable quinoa. Yeah? Some chop suey, original chop suey with some mushroom in it, same way, you see it? We now look what you sip. So you have a good rich sip here. Smell sir? Rich and nice with the burro banana. You see me and the warrior just forward. Yeah man, a proper spice again, princess. We say hot food to the world for the boy and for the girl, yeah. We line up the food. Jamaica good life, at it again. Proper spice to the world. Proper spice, organic food, huh? I want some bush cabbage. Bush cabbage in a balsamic vinegar, you see it? A long box in general. Come on, a proper spice, see it?
Beautiful. The colors.
Natural though. Yeah man, lunch is served, is it? Hot food. Full jar, yeah? One love.
This is Randy.
Yeah,
What
man,
man?
this is Andre, you know.
So tell them about Jamaica Good Life. How it change, what it do to your psyche?
You know, so it make me look into things more different and I look on things more on an organic settings. Cause right now, I don't eat meat and them something there, you know. I eat straight, you know, vegetable, fruits and them something there. And I feel like from watching your program, I get them kind of inspiration there. I watch how they live simple and, you know, when I go and grill, when I link up with the guy them down there and, you know, not but joy, you know.
Feel love.
Not but joy. I'm glad to see you. Never know some would have just buck up on you one day, but I say, you know?
Yeah, but you see, say simplicity and love. I really
man.
vibe. Give me your number so I can link you with watching.
876-303-2115.
So you are the tour guide guy.
Tour guide.
So when them come down are you in a Ochi, you know everywhere.
Everywhere.
You travel to Jamaica, you know all of that.
Everywhere. We used to live at Kingston at one time. We used to live at Rockford. We used to live at Mountain View. We used to go Winward Road, All-Age School, and it was an All-Age School. We used to go Kingston Technical, you know. So, I have the best boat, you know.
You know the rivers, them, the falls, then the grill.
Yeah.
So you are the guy.
Yeah.
No boy can. If you want to go Wednesday, Wednesday, it's not a problem.
Not a problem. No problem. None.
Any woman want to roll and feel safe.
One
you.
Exactly.
And if they bring 10,000 of them carry, them not
Them
worry about it.
Them not worry about it.
Good life sailing.
Exactly.
So they just call me and tell me where they are.
Exactly.
Which is right. This is Flanker. People at the anchor. See Flanker there? Yo man, go got the Ochi soon, so
Yeah,
I'm
man,
glad to meet you.
When you come at Ochi, man.
You are the know Jamaica Good Life authorized Ochi race
Yeah, man.
navigator.
I always envision that in my head, you know, when time I watch the program, I say probably if one day I come and watch him, I can link with him, you know, and see it there. To make the link.
The divine time. Yeah. People, this is Jamaica Good Life, not a cool life. For the guy name?
Andre,
and give her your number again.
876-303-2150.
It's a pleasure. Do you have family?
Yeah.
Have a girlfriend?
Yes, I have a girlfriend.
Can you tell her you love her, or that's gonna be too much for the world to know?
Baby, I love you. You know yourself already.
So you know, more time I find Jamaica man, them and tell them say, do you love your girlfriend? Them say,
I love my girlfriend.
Why you love your girlfriend? Why you love her?
Because she always have my back. She makes sure I'm good. You know what I'm saying? She not there if you want stuff. You know, some girl, and she's very productive. She work. So she not depend on you. She not gonna depend on you as a man to give her everything. And that's what I admire about her, because I grew up come see my mother work hard. So therefore I don't want a woman who sit down and nod, you know. You know, I want productive people around me, because I'm productive myself. So I'm not ashamed to say I love my woman.
What is it?
All of them qualities.
What is it about Jamaica where you will never leave? Why you not left? Or if you leave, why? What is it Jamaica that makes you happy?
Just feel free. Like I don't drink regular pipe water. I can go to the spring, go catch my water. I go to the spring, catch my water for cook, catch my water for drink. You know, it's just the freedom, and it just feel natural, you know. It's just the vibe, the whole vibration. We never leave that.
Good. So respect to you, and love and respect. This is Jamaica Good Life, Randy. It's not a cool life. Big up to Sandy, because I know so that the girls them what? Candy. Sometimes they can't stand me. I will say Marcus, Gavi. Sometimes they even burn me. Some say Babylon, where you there, watch your step on. Randy is a weapon. Say flanker there. Boom. And Prapa Spice. Everything nice at Prapa Spice. See it there? When they see the food, they have to say, whoa.
Yeah, man, I do again, brother.
Yes, man. People, when you come up at the airport, please say your number again slowly, please.
Yeah, man, 365-6679, man.
When you come from the airport, this is the only place we endorse, because when we see her for the call, we love the pop show. You see me? People, you come to Jamaica for the healing, so you're supposed to get the best food anyway. Best food.
Yeah, man.
No fat and thing.
Yeah.
No rat or
cat. We got some mushroom chop suey. We got some mushroom chop suey.
We
got mushroom chop suey, and we got some pumpkin stew. And we still got some, you know, got some jerk chickpeas.
You know, some of the car airport and straight, and some come and you never open. And what days you open?
Yeah, man. We do 5 days a week from Monday to Friday, you see?
Okay.
Yeah. We balance off, but I think you don't know, you see it? How much is it? 1,000 over. You see it? Yeah, man. 850? No, 850? No, man. I like a food that. That's
a big food. That's a big food for big people.
I say, yeah, man. I eat, man.
Thank you, Papa.
Give thanks again, brother.
For keeping it so nice.
Yeah, man.
I remember the food, my sister. Yes, my brother. Where the fork on it? Ooh, are this your wife for me? That one here? That one your wife for me? Come, my general. Come look on this. Jaja. We can't buy a general a food too. We not can buy your food too.
Good food, man.
Jaja.
Food, you know?
Boy. It's amazing, man. You know, say, this is it. Them couldn't stop. A16. Yeah, man. This is Jamaica Good Life. So this is how you like yourself? Or two of them off away. Where you say? So Prapa Spice, tell me about the mix now. Come explain this to the people. Ja. Explain this for the people. What is this?
That mixture, you know, so that mixture a jerk chickpeas with pineapples, you see me? Yeah, and then you got some mushroom chop suey. So you got zucchini, squash, red bell peppers, and some pop chow. With this, with yeah, man. You want to the pumpkin stew with some quinoa pasta, you see it? And a bush cabbage with some balsamic vinegar and some colored cabbage, color red. See
so they can Google Prapa Spice.
You see me? Yeah, man, naturally.
And it's straight from the airport.
Yeah.
Prapa Spice.
Natural food, man. You can't get no better. Yes, I.
Alright.
See what I say? Yes, I job.
Give time.
Yeah, one love.
One love.
Good life.
It's every mean of the Good Life endorsement. See the people. And this is considered the Good Life food at the highest level. because I come from the highest frequency of people. So all of the cow eaters and pig eaters, take a break. For God's sake, take a break off of the cow and the pig. You know it's a chicken have soul too, right? You know what chicken they kill the other day and nobody no pray. Bad man, if you kill chicken and you no pray why chicken a problem, you know. What you think? Real captain. People, this is Jamaica good life. Now this wise man I teach me something new. Tell me about the good and where, sir.
Yeah man, the good, you have to just be good. But too good, people abuse that situation. People start look on what you got. Then if you give you something, them say, no man, you don't need of it. And because you're just too good. Sometimes when you're too good, sometimes you not even have it, but you have a dollar and you just see a need and you just give him. You understand and I say, a man look on you and say, I help you to help him. Oh, the man they have money and he start look on your background. Maybe you have 2 pieces of car and you say, oh, I have money, you know, man. And not really money you have. You understand what I say? But at the journey where you've been through, make you can accumulate what you have, and now you decide to you go share. But people look on you as sharing, and look on you as say, I have you have it, and then turn around and steal. Someone want to hurt you too. They see maybe you give one old lady around you, so want $500. So, oh, the man they have money, and not have it too. You just try to make him who need it,
feel it,
be comfortable. Yeah, it's all about the need it.
Too good, don't be too good.
Don't be too good, just be good.
Just be good.
Yeah.
This is good.
People have abused too good.
Give me your number, I'll come check you at your place.
Right, that's what I work now.
You work, that's so?
Yeah, man.
What kind of work you do?
So camera try this.
You see? Oh, you work there?
Yeah.
You sell the car them?
Yeah.
Okay, people. What the king name? Stiggy. Alright, people, this is Stiggy. Right? And the man said, don't be too good. This is Jamaica Good Life with our flanker right now. Some can make the world get to know him, you know?
The man African symbol, the man they represent Jamaica, the man they have ambassador, the man they play biggest sound, the man they
have them production.
Asian tell what go on.
When they have them thing Japan and them place.
Okay. So they represent the culture from levels.
Yeah, them man they represent the culture, Jamaican culture, reggae music, you see it?
They play music for King Jammy's time.
Wow.
I want ancient monarch with the Irish race, man. I tell them to say too good.
African symbol. So then now.
Take a photo, keep it on your phone.
Wow, my brother. Wow, brother.
The record shop, everything. You see them?
Wow, my brother. So when I want to do my album, you can help me out.
Oh, you're ready now.
Jaja, a long time I have to tell them, so it's a jungle out there. Me not even want to tell a Jamaican name, because when I sing the verse now with Tiffy. You not true me attack. Me not for watch when I sing.
Vice Pioneer and European FM.
Yes, man, we don't want them man hold out the culture, because you have now, Jamaica is like them sell out all of the culture.
Yes, sir.
All of the culture where them sell out. And they make some other people, they make it oppressors they own the thing, like I feel them.
Facts.
They must switch over the thing. Right now the man they make a movie.
Facts.
With the Bob Marley.
We have a TV company.
With the Bob Marley thing, you see me?
Yeah, that I say one of brothers, I think I sworn it. Bob Marley movie.
Yeah, so the movie there, they even mix it up because they might put the
That's why you already?
They might put the peace concert. They mix up the peace concert with
No problem, man. Let me set the phones and take it longer.
Yes, it's only kill it.
Okay. I saw only kill Michael Jackson, you know.
Yeah.
And the next one.